This animation will provide you with technical instructions on how to use the kit in order to take a successful fetal scalp blood sample. This does not replace any of your current hospital protocols. The kit should reach you in a sterile condition, however it is always best to check for any damage before use. If damaged, discard, if not then remove the packaging. Please consult the instructions for use leaflet included. Detailed instructions can also be found on our website if necessary. Remove the drape and place the kit and the contents to where it is needed to provide a sterile working environment. The wand comes preloaded with a capillary tube. With the patient in a suitable position, remove the amnioscope from the pack and insert into the vagina using a suitable lubricant if required. To ensure you have a good seal against the fetal head, remove the obturator and move the L up closer to the scalp. You will notice that removing the obturator switches the light on automatically. Using a cotton swab, clean the sample area, moving any hair aside if required. Insert the wand through the amnioscope. When halfway to the scalp, push the purple slider forwards to extend the blade until you hear it click into position. You will note that the wand has an angled blade. This is to allow you to stab the vein and gain a more accurate incision. At this stage, quickly slide the purple slider backward to retract the blade until you hear it click. Pull back slightly and rotate the blood sampler until the capillary tube is level with the incision or flow of blood, and the blood will flow into the tube. Once you are satisfied you have an adequate sample, remove the blood sampler from the amnioscope. Now remove the capillary tube from the pre-mounted position and place the wand with the rest of the pack. Place end caps on each end of the capillary tube.